Hi guys, this is our chapter number 9th of the town planning. In this chapter, we will edit some these labels about these bands, and we will calculate the cut and fill volumes, and also the shape means you understood the base slab and curb stones material also we will calculate very easily. So let's go, we start now. First I want to explain about this labels, just same as a profile, like here not showing the uh, here not showing also labels, here not showing label, only in the center part, and the last this is band is showing. Okay, this is the offset from center to the 10 meter 10 meters and from center to 10 meters. Okay, so this is the our challenge number 00. Let's go click this profile once, the section profiles, and right click, then go to section view profile, section view group properties. Here you once select, then you will see the information of the our all the sections here and section views here. Here see many things are, so you can check one by one. This is the styles, this is the view, and this is the change. Here if you click like that, then you will get these things here are available. So you can change from here, and if not from here, then just you cross it, click it here, label, section, view property, then just come to here. You can see here, you can change from here or you can change from there. Okay, so see in this area here not showing because of setting this existing level. This is the easy existing level. You come to here section 1 or section 2. This is the section number 1 this side, and 2 is this side here. So I make it like that. Okay, then just you click on here and click again once here. See here, this is our surface is the corridor surface. So here you select the our existing ground surface, because this is the existing ground surface. And second one, here also you have to select the existing ground level. Okay, I selected it. Then go to this side so we can see here. Then apply here. You see label appeared here. This face, this offset face is this much elevation, or this way to this is an existing level. And here we can change, but we will not see here the labels because of our surface proposed surface is the same level as the center. We are not changing this side or this side in the our cross section any assembly. Here you can see this corridor surface. Here you see the corridor surface, then apply, but we can't see here. And if you will try, see, go to here and select and edit, exist, same as per our bands. As I told you in the profile band, same things are here. Here you see the band border, this all this showing, tick, major, minor, all showing, this all showing here. Major increments are showing here, and the center line also showing here. Label, sample line, vertex also showing here. We here at the if you click here, then you can see another one things. Okay, close, apply, and okay it. Okay, so this is the this level and this level is the same. You can see our section, because this level here, this level here, and this level here, and this level is the here same our proposed levels or layout levels. That's why it's not showing or not changing. Okay, this label matter I think you understood well. And So many things we can modify here, like the levels, we can make the short, small, but main things I'm telling to you now, how do we assign the materials to here. So come to here in the our alignment area, click any the sample lines, then you will see here appear compute the material, just click on it. Here asking select alignment and select sample line groups. This is the same. If you don't know, then you just click from here like that and select the alignment, okay, and the sample line group you can just select it here, then it will be appear like this, okay. Then say okay, hit. Here is the many things, this cut and fill, not, we don't want this one, just you come in the earthwork, you see here is the existing ground level, and datum is from existing ground level GLS, and datum means our finished ground level, this one, okay. This is a okay now, and you can say here assign, okay, it's assigned already, okay. Now again you select once here and then say okay. Then one material list you can expand and see the earthwork is here, okay. Then we have to add the new material which this is surface to existing surface, but now we are going to calculate the our concrete or means sub base materials. So safe first and curb. In the curb stone is the concrete materials. Now we can add here. Just click once here. We add. We have to see here no cut. Here just you come and say to structure, and here just click once and click here. Then you see the curb. Okay. Just select curb and then say okay. It's already ready. Now we're adding the another material. The corridor shape is okay, and here we are adding the sub base. Just click and click here add. Already we add in down this part, but we don't want the down this part. So just you have to this refresh or maybe left it. So this is the adding under this. So once we have to delete it and bring again here grab and add, or here same structure and here add the curve, okay. This is now we have to close it, not expanded, okay, this one. Then next one shape, corridor shape is okay, and we bring the material sub base, which area we want to calculate. Then say add, we add here is cut, here come to structure, and here come and go to sub base. You select from here the list and then say okay, and now we can apply and we can say okay. Now material already we assigned. Now how do we calculate? First we have to add the tables. How to add table? Just you click again in the sample lines, okay. Then here you see the edit labels. You can edit your labels here and add tables. Just click this down arrow and say here total volume, okay. This is the total volume. Just click on here and what we want, total make, cut and fill. And this our selected alignment is this, sample line group is this, and material you can see the as per the list is the one, and split the table, okay. A table, this properties, this you can see the later. Now just say okay. It's asking where you want your total volume to in your drawing, and can say I'm just click once here. You see this is the our volume, this material volume here as Chinese fill area, cut area, fill area, cut area, you can see here. Now another thing we are adding here, just already we selected our sample line, click here, and total material volume we already calculated. Now material volume, you just click hit here, and area and volume, there the cut and fill, here the area and volume, okay. and alignment, a sample line group is here, and our material, see, material list is the one, and select material list is the already two here. Okay, then just click once here and bring to this table also here. Okay, and then we go to another one. This is our curbstone quantity, concrete quantity, and select once again already selected, and come to here, and material volume, they all will be same, just you have to change here the material number 3. This is we assign our sub base. Do you remember well? Okay, then say okay, again we table have to assign here. Okay, this is the our subbase area quantity, this one total, you see, but it's not calculated because of come to here, this subbase area we didn't fill the any material. This is the we left it like this. If we will fill here the material and assign the material, then we can calculate the quantities. This is the reason of the subbase. But the curbstone is it is the itself the solid concrete. Okay, so you come here, the curbstone quantity is this. Second one, it is here, and this is the cutting and the filling volume is the total, how much cutting and filling cumulative. This is the 539 and 70, and this is the 873. They see here cumulative fill volume and cut volume. It is the 00 at the 0 chainage. If we come to this chainage 10 number, this one, okay, this one. So here if we assign the which material we will assign, that material will be calculated, otherwise it will be not calculated. Okay, and if you want to see the how to assign in there, then my upcoming video will become on the a complete road design, around 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer road we have to complete design, and then we assign the subgrade base, subgrade, and top layer, asphalt, and everything we will assign. Now we will just calculate it, because we assign the here the slope this side and this side from here, and slope this side to this side from here. That's why it's calculated. So I think you have to understood, because base of this our layout profile we calculated between this and this, how much the difference as per the section. You can see in the our section here, you see this is the already they can see cutting this filling area here, and this you see the subgrade base area is the empty. That's why it's not calculated. Okay, thanks for watching. In the next video it will be very important, because we will come to make a plan for the our town planning area. So should be you have to watch the next also, and this video you see the very well. Okay, thanks guys for watching.